Well, for our last day, we have a couple other experiments to try out. One is this one with a balloon. I filled this one with water already, and you can blow it up a little more if you want to. I just filled up most of the way to the top here, just from the tap. I'll blow it up a little bit extra. You can kind of see the water at the bottom. And this one is getting at some of the same ideas as the penny before. And all you're going to do is get something to light it with. I have one of these fireplace lighters. You can use a match if you want to. Make sure to get your parents' permission. But you should have some of these lying around the house. I didn't put those in any of those in the kit. And I just want you to try to light the bottom of this balloon. And note, this is quite hot above there. What happens, or maybe more importantly, what doesn't happen when you put this here. Now, that has to do a little bit with the nature of water and how much energy it takes for water to be able to heat up. And so even with the fact that the balloon by itself, now if I were to try to do this again at a different point in the balloon, it's going to break, which I don't want to do over my table. That's up to you. That's why I gave you two balloons to make sure that you can try that out. But this will also work on a paper cup. You can put water in a paper cup and you can heat that up. And it'll take a long time for it to do anything to the cup because so much of that energy from the fire is needed to heat up the water in the balloon. So it saves the rubber or saves the paper cup from burning. So simple trick, but it takes advantage of the fact that water is a very, very good absorber of energy. And so it's able to prevent that from breaking your balloon or your water. Similar to the penny. The penny we saw the water kind of made that dome. And the way that it makes that dome is some of the same principles that make it difficult for it to heat up and to absorb a lot of energy. It's called water is a polar molecule, and that has to do with the fact that it's kind of sticky with its neighboring particles. And so, again, we'll learn more about that. You feel free to look up more about those details, maybe fill in what you know, and that's one you can try with your couple of balloons here today.